Hello and welcome to this trade recap. Today is the 17th of December 2025, and this is the last week I'm trading this year because of the holidays and stuff like that, so there won't be any good price action. But today I took a very good trade. I took this buy here on this inverse of this 1 minute fair value gap, and I targeted this high up here, but we had an SMT on ES, which made me close out around this break-even point here. But on the daily, there wasn't any valuable information for me really. It made sense that it would go lower, also because we had an SMT over here. Let me just find it. Here, so over here we took the previous day high, but we didn't on ES. But that was just a minor confirmation. And we have the 4-hour bearish being respected. When I went into this day, I thought that we could also go higher because it just made sense because we were moving like higher on the higher time frames here. It's more clear to see on the 1 hour. We were just moving higher. But when we opened at the 9:30 open, it just made sense right here that all right, we're just gonna hit lower because it was just such an aggressive push down here. And I did look after a few reverses, maybe at the London low and the Asia low here and this liquidity here, which got swept. That's here when we got the reverse. At the 5 minute, that's our target right here, the 5 minute bearish after we took out this liquidity and all this liquidity here on the uptrend. We got a very good wick, which also one of the reason I took this trade, because if it was just a strong close down here and then it started to go up, I likely wouldn't have taken the trade, to be honest with you. And on ES, it was the same here, although there was a bullish SMT on ES, because this low got taken on MNQ, but it didn't on ES. So that's also a good confluence. All right, and the highest time frame inverse was the 1 minute, as you can see here, this one. And the move right here was just so strong and so aggressive. It happened super fast. I was looking at my phone. Then when I looked at the screen again, the candle was just skyrocketed up there. So it closed also above it. But when this candle came, I knew there was going to be a lot of volume in the market. And you can also see right here, there was crazy volume. It just went down, stayed down here, and then in a few seconds, it just skyrocketed up here. And I honestly thought I was going to get stopped out here because there was only like 10 handles until stop loss. But I secured $400 for the day. You can see right here, because I closed out not early, but earlier than my final TP up here. And you can see the target was this 5 minute here. So ES took it here, and then that's when we closed out on MNQ. That's basically the trade I took. I also took one on the phone, I think it was Monday or something. I didn't record it, and I don't even remember the trade, to be honest. So I can't do a trade recap on it because the executions are not showing either for that trade, which is very weird. So I can't see the executions. But that's it for this trade recap. It was a short one. It was a kind of quick trade. Only took a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes at max. So yeah, banger trade. And I shared my thought for the day in my Telegram. So if you want to catch these kind of trades, join my Telegram and I will show you the insight for the day. But there won't be any signals because I'm not a signal guy. I don't do that bullshit. But join the Telegram and follow my social medias and get updated on what my thought process is before I go into the day.